In this video, we'll be unboxing the Xtool D8s. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, so welcome to Random Fix. And in this video today, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Xtool D8s. I'll leave you guys a link down below to the full review as well as the quick review if you guys want to check this out more in depth. So inside this box, we have this nice hard shell case. Let's open this up for the very first time. And in here we get an owner's manual, USB-A to USB-A connectors, the cable itself that will connect to the top of the unit, and depending on your region, we get 3 different power cords. They will plug into the power adapter right here. And we get the scan tool itself. It does have a kickstand on the back as well as a camera. So this is everything that's included with the D8s. If you guys want to check out the full review or the quick review, I'll leave you guys a link down below. Thank you so much. Make it a great day.